Let's find the vector AB and sums of vector. So this basically is the use of the properties of vectors that we discussed earlier, right? So it says that we have the point A at 2, 5. So 2 on the x-axis, 5 on the y-axis, B on -1, 1, and C on 2, -6. So we need to find the vector AB. So that's pretty simple, right? First, you must remember this, right? AB is equal to OB minus OA. OB is the position vector of B, OA is the position vector of A. So the point A is 2, 5. So obviously, as we have discussed many times earlier, the position vector of A, OA, that goes from the origin to A, is 2i plus 5j, because it's 2 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. Now, the point B is at -1 and it's at +1, right? So obviously, its position vector OB will be at -i plus j because it's at -1x plus 1y. And the point C is at 2, -6, so OC is obviously 2i minus 6j. Now it says that we have to find AB, right? So AB is equal to OB minus OA. And you can verify this by using the triangle method of vector addition. Now, AB is equal to -i plus j minus 2i plus 5j. Obviously, you must remember that the I components are added separately and the j components are added separately, or in this case, subtracted. So yeah, this is what you get. -3i minus 4j, right? That's AB. Now, it says that we have to find 2CB minus CA. So here's what we'll do. This is actually 2CB minus 2CA. They forgot the 2 here. Now, obviously, as you remember, in the vector properties that we discussed, you can take this 2 and this 2 common outside of a bracket like this. 2 common, and in the bracket, you're subtracting the 2 vectors, CB and CA. Now, as you know, CB is equal to OB minus OC, the position vector of B minus the position vector of C, and CA, that's right, the position vector of A minus the position vector of C. Okay, now we already found these values earlier, but to make things even simpler for us, first expand this, and this is what you get. OB minus OC minus OA plus OC. This OC and this OC can be cancelled out because this one is negative and this one is positive, and so you're left with 2OB minus OA, right? And we found OB to be this and OA to be this, and now that makes things a lot simpler for us. The final result is this.